भाषा सीखने के लिए क्या करने की जरूरत पड़ती है? सामने कोई सेंटेंस हो, फिर उसमें हमारा दिमाग लगे, और उससे हम लोग दूसरा तीसरा सेंटेंस बना सके एक आध वर्ड बदल के। यह है नेचुरल सीखने का तरीका। हाय, कैन आई स्पीक टुडे प्लीज? Who says? The man who is calling, the person who is calling, maybe a woman, maybe a man, somebody is calling, and they ask, hi, can I speak to Dave, please?
I'm afraid he isn't here at the moment.
I'm afraid he isn't here at the moment. I'm afraid means I'm sorry as well. I'm afraid means I am sorry. I'm sorry. It has the same meaning as I am sorry. I'm afraid. But you use I'm afraid in a formal situation. She's sitting in the office, so I'm afraid he isn't here in the office. माफ कीजिएगा, वो अभी ऑफिस में नहीं है. I'm afraid he isn't here, yeah, at the moment.
Can I take a message?
Can I take a message? यही लड़की सामने वाली पूछ रही है. मैसेज देना आपको, मैसेज दे दीजिए. Can I take a message?
Yes. Could you ask him to phone Kevin?
Yes. Could you ask him to phone Kevin? Could you ask him? उसको जरा बोलिएगा. Could you ask him? उसको जरा बोलिएगा. केविन को फोन करने के लिए. अच्छा बेटा, आस्क मतलब आप क्या सीखे हो? पूछना. क्या यहाँ पर पूछना वर्ड फिट हो पाएगा? Could you ask him to call to phone Kevin? तो पहले सिखाता हूँ. Could you, आपको याद है यूनिट 5? Can you, could you, can be used to make polite request. Could you bring me some water, please? Could you bring me some water, please? Could you open the door for me, please? Could you switch on the fan, please? So this is the polite request. Can you, could you, both can be used to make polite request. Could you sit down, please? आप थोड़ा बैठ जाइए ना, आप थोड़ा बैठ जाइए ना. Politely बोल रहे हैं, बैठ जाओ नहीं. बैठ जाइए ना, बैठ जाइए ना, आप थोड़ा बैठ जाइए. Could you please sit down? Could you please
give me a glass of water, please?
Yes, yes, yes. Very well done, beta. Very nice. Okay. Could you explain conversation number 6 one more time, sir? Could you explain conversation number 6 one more time? ये भी polite request है. तो could you say polite request बोलते हैं. तो उसने politely क्या कहा? Could you, उसने पूछा था can I take a message? Can I? कुछ मैसेज देना आपको. Can I take a message? उसने कहा could you tell him, could you ask him, could you ask him to phone Kevin? आप उसको कहिएगा ना केविन को फोन करने के लिए जरा सा.
Could
आप
you
जरा उसको
add
बोलिएगा
in
ना
groups, sir?
केविन को फोन करने के लिए. Could you ask him to phone Kevin?
Could you add in groups, sir? 3:30.
Yes, Roshan, I will add you. Be regular for a day or two, okay? You were not here yesterday. And remember, this is your last opportunity. Please do your best, okay?
Yes.
A little bit of revision. अभी समझ में चीजें आ रही होंगी. रिवीजन
Yes,
करोगे
sir.
और बेहतर आएंगी. कुछ सेंटेंसेस खुद से भी लिख लोगे एक दो. बहुत बढ़िया. ये मत देखना कि कौन क्या कर रहा है. सारे लोग अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे, तुम भी करोगे नहीं ना. तो समटाइम्स व्हाट
Yes.
हैपेंस, मैं फिर से बोलता हूँ. अनफॉर्चुनेटली Aisha is not active in the group. She does her homework and everything, but she's not very active in the group. And if she was, then I think some people would feel a little motivated to, you know what happens, Aisha Bita? Unfortunately, in every class, some students only practice when they see other people practicing. उनको कहते हैं ना, उनका खुद का मोटिवेशन नहीं होता है, वो दूसरे को देख के करते हैं. कोई कर रहा है ना तो वो भी करेंगे. तो ऐसे हालात में good students should understand this and they should practice in the group so that other people can feel motivated as well. Could you ask him to phone Kevin? जरा उसको बोलिएगा ना केविन को फोन करने के लिए. तो ऐसे तो आस्क मतलब पूछना जानते हैं हम लोग, लेकिन क्या यहाँ पर पूछना वर्ड फिट होगा? तो क्या फायदा था सीखने का आस्क मतलब पूछना? क्या ही मिल गया हमको? हाँ, अगर आस्क मतलब पूछना सिखाना था तो वो एक सेंटेंस में सिखाते ताकि हमारा दिमाग खुला रहता कि दूसरे सेंटेंस में आस्क का दूसरा मीनिंग भी हो सकता। उन्होंने आस्क को बाहर निकाल लिया सेंटेंस से और कह दिया आस्क मतलब पूछना होता है। तो फिर लगाओ पूछना यहाँ पे, आस्क मतलब पूछना होता है तो, और नहीं तो मानो कि आस्क मतलब पूछना हर जगह नहीं होता। ये जो एब्सोल्यूट तरीके से सिखाना है कि आस्क, ASK आस्क, आस्क मतलब पूछना, ASK आस्क मतलब पूछना, यही बीमारी की जड़ है, क्योंकि दिमाग में बैठ जाता है कि यही हिंदी होनी है। अब मैं सिखाता हूं इसको प्रॉपरली, ओके? मैंने आपको कहा प्लीज टर्न ऑन द फैन, प्लीज, मैंने आपको कहा प्लीज टर्न ऑन द फैन, तो आप घर में जाकर बोलेंगे सर हमको बोले पंखा चालू करने के लिए, सर हमको बोले, सर आस्क्ड मी टू टर्न ऑन द फैन, सर हमको बोले पंखा चालू करने के लिए। और मैंने आपको कैसे बोला था? प्लीज टर्न ऑन द फैन, ओके? तो आपने घर में कहा जाके सर आस्क्ड मी टू टर्न ऑन द फैन। मैंने आपको कहा कम ऑन टाइम प्लीज, ओके, डोंट बी लेट, कम ऑन टाइम। और मम्मी देर करा रही है आपको, तो आप बोलेंगे सर ऑलवेज आस्क्स मी टू कम ऑन टाइम, सर आस्क्स मी टू कम ऑन टाइम। सर आस्क्स मी मतलब सर पूछते हैं, सर पूछते हैं, सर बोलते हैं टाइम पे आने के लिए, सर आस्क मी टू कम ऑन टाइम, तो आई एम सॉरी आई कांट बी लेट, ओके, हमको जाना पड़ेगा, ओके। यहाँ आस्क की जगह टेल भी यूज कर सकते हैं, सर टेल्स मी टू कम ऑन टाइम। हाँ बेटा, सर टेल्स मी, सर आस्क्स मी टू कम ऑन टाइम, ओके। अभी आयशा क्या बोलेंगी किसी को? सर आस्क्ड मी टुडे टू राइट सेंटेंसेस इन द ग्रुप, सर आस्क्ड मी टू बी अ लिटिल एक्टिव इन द ग्रुप। लेकिन एक्टिव होने का ये मतलब नहीं होता कि व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, व्हाट आई एम ईटिंग, ये वाला कॉन्वर्सेशन से कहीं नहीं जाओगे तुम, क्योंकि रोज एक ही बात होगी, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, तो आई एम ईटिंग, आगे क्या? तो जो पढ़ाई हो रही उससे रिलेटेड सेंटेंस लिखो ग्रुप में। डोंट आस्क अदर पीपल व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, इससे कहीं नहीं जाओगे, क्योंकि रोज यही पूछोगे व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, कल आज रोटी खा रहे हैं तो कल टीवी देख रहे हैं, बस इतना ज्यादा कहाँ होगा कुछ भी। बट प्लीज आप जो पढ़ रहे हो उसकी प्रैक्टिस कर लो ग्रुप में, ग्रुप में एक्टिव होने का मेरा ये कहने का मतलब है। ऑलराइट, सो could you ask him to call me? हाँ, उसको कहिएगा जरा हमको कॉल करने के लिए। लेकिन वो मी नहीं बोलता है, क्योंकि मी बोलने से कैसे बताएगी कौन कॉल कर रहा था, इसलिए उसने कहा could you ask him to phone Kevin? इसका मतलब ये लड़का कौन है जो फोन कर रहा है? हाँ, इसलिए बोला केविन को फोन करने के लिए बोल दीजिएगा, राइट। एक वाइफ कहते हैं हम अपने हस्बैंड को कभी नहीं बोलते हैं मेरे लिए साड़ी लाने के लिए या ज्वेलरी लाने के लिए, कैसे बोलेगी वो? हम अपने हस्बैंड को कभी नहीं बोलते हैं I never ask my husband to bring me or to buy me sarees or jewelry. All right. I never ask my husband to buy sarees or jewelry. एक वाइफ बोल रही है मेरे हस्बैंड हमको कहते हैं मेकअप करने के लिए, चलो ऐसा बोलते हैं। माय हस्बैंड आस्क्ड मी, पास्ट टेंस नहीं बोलेंगे, कहते हैं माय हस्बैंड आस्क्ड मी और टेल्स मी टू डू मेकअप, टू वेयर मेकअप, टू वेयर मेकअप, ठीक है। और उल्टा कर देते बेटा, मेरे हस्बैंड हमको कहते हैं मेकअप नहीं करने के लिए, माय हस्बैंड आस्क्ड मी नॉट टू वेयर मेकअप, माय हस्बैंड आस्क्ड मी नॉट टू वेयर मेकअप। तो प्रैक्टिस कर लेना थोड़ा सा इसकी, क्योंकि ये सीख रहे हो तुम आज। कुछ घर में गार्जियंस लड़कियों को मना करते हैं बाहर जाने से, राइट? इन सम फैमिलीज गार्जियंस और पेरेंट्स टेल देयर डॉटर्स नॉट टू गो आउट, टेल देयर डॉटर्स नॉट टू गो आउट, कहते हैं नहीं जाओ, राइट? दे टेल देयर डॉटर्स नॉट टू गो आउट, ओके। Could you ask him to phone Kevin?
Sure, I'll do that.
Sure, I'll do that. Sure, I'll do that. हाँ, बोल देंगे।
7.
Thanks for the invitation to your party.
Thanks for the invitation to your party. Thanks for the invitation to your party. आपने अपनी पार्टी में आने के लिए जो इनविटेशन दिया उसके लिए शुक्रिया. Thanks for the invitation to your party. Thanks for the invitation to your party. Invitation के बाद to your party. Invitation to your party. आपने अपनी पार्टी में आने के लिए इनवाइट किया मुझे. Thank you. Thanks for the invitation. आपने अपनी शादी में मुझे बुलाया कामरान. ठीक है सर शादी कर रहे हैं आइएगा. तो आप कैसे बोलेंगे हम आपको कैसे शुक्रिया अदा करेंगे? Thanks for the invitation to your wedding. Right? Thanks for the invitation to your wedding. Yes. हम अगला लाइन नहीं बोलेंगे. But I'm afraid I can't come. हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे. हम बोलेंगे and I'm certainly coming. I am certainly. When it comes to my students' weddings, I try not to miss. I try not to miss. हम कोशिश करते हैं मिस ना करें. Because वो दोबारा थोड़ी शादी करेगा या करेगी.
But I'm afraid I can't come.
But I'm afraid I can't come. फिर थोड़ा सा फॉर्मल हो गया. लेकिन माफ करना मैं आ नहीं पाऊंगा. But I'm afraid I can't come. तुम्हें लगता है ये दोनों बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड हो सकते हैं? चांसेस नहीं है क्योंकि उसने कैसे कहा but I'm afraid I can't come. तो फॉर्मेलिटी है इसमें. Okay, so that's why they can't be boyfriend girlfriend. Okay, but I'm afraid I can't come. Maybe the girl likes him, you know, maybe. Yeah, look at the expression. Look at the expression of the girl. Very sad. Oh, you're not coming.
What a pity.
What a pity. What a nahi aa paoge. Oh, what a pity. What a pity is used just to show this situation, in this situation. Oh, ऐसे वाला reaction. What a pity. नहीं आ पाओगे. What a pity.
Never mind.
Never mind. चलो कोई बात नहीं. क्या कर सकते हैं?
I'm going away that weekend.
I'm going away that weekend. That weekend. Which weekend? When you are having a party. I'm going away that weekend. That weekend क्यों बोला? उसी weekend पे जा रहे जिस दिन तुम पार्टी कर रही हो ना. I'm going away that weekend. Going away to another place. Away. Not out of home. Out of city. हम नहीं रहेंगे शहर में. बाहर जा रहे हैं. I'm going away that weekend.
It's okay.
It's okay. कोई बात नहीं. ठीक ठीक.
Another time.
Another time.
8.
Bye.
Have a safe journey.
Bye. Have a safe journey. Easy? Have a safe journey is easy. Nowadays, it's very important having a safe journey. You know what happened in Pune, guys? You heard about that? Oh my God. Porsche. We pronounce it? Porsche. Yeah. When you are rich, it's very important that you raise your children the right way. I know that boy is only 17 and 8 months old, 17 years and 8 months old, but he has killed 2 people. You can't ignore that. 2 people lost their lives because of him only. Yes, I feel bad for the whole situation. I feel bad for this boy as well. But those 2 people died. And it's necessary that you set an example. Otherwise, tomorrow, another rich person's son will do the same. You know, the judge who said, write an essay in 300 words, उसको तो पकड़ के बीच रास्ते पे hang कर देना चाहिए, judge को पहले. Well, how dare he? 3 people's life? The cost of 3 people's life is 300-word essay? So much anger there was on social media about it. And result, pressure, and now they are doing the right thing. I hear that maybe the boy will get at least 10-year imprisonment, 10 years in jail. So that will be good. At least he will learn his lesson. 10 years in jail means he will realize what he has done. I hope he changes as a person, he realizes his mistake, and I hope he tries to help the family. Because, of course, he didn't want to kill anybody, true, but he eventually did. And it was not just an accident. He was drunk and he was driving. If he was not drunk, then I would consider, okay, it was an accident. He was drunk. He was inviting the accident. If I sit here drunk, and if you guys get angry with me, then you're right, isn't it? So you can't drink and drive.
Thanks.
Because his father wants the sacrifice of the driver, he will say, बेटा आपको बचा दो, 10 करोड़ रुपया घर में दे देंगे, क्या हो जाएगा 10 साल में, 1 साल में 10 करोड़, 1 करोड़ कमा पाओगे, तो 10 साल का 10 करोड़ दे देंगे, टेंशन. The car is 1.5 crore rupees. Okay. So obviously he can easily spend 10 crore rupees for his son, and the poor driver will say, चल 10 साल नौकरी समझ के जेल में रह लेंगे. Right? The driver will think this will be a job for me, कि 10 साल के 10 करोड़ in नौकरी है मेरा. But that's not fair. Any society where rich people get away with the help of their money is a very bad society. You know, rich and poor both have equal rights, or should have equal rights. It's very, very,
Yesterday, he posted a post on Instagram and abusing all guy who raised for that death man.
Saurabh, can you bring the mic a little
And,
closer to your mouth, Saurabh?
It's better.
A little, yes.
Yesterday, that guy shared a post on Instagram and he is abusing all guy who raise a hand for that death man.
I am
And
not sure I can
he is
understand
telling,
what you're saying. Other people, can they hear and understand what he's saying? Saurabh, did you understand? Huh? He posted? Huh? Uh-huh. Who posted a conversation? Saurabh posted a conversation on Instagram about this incident.
No.
Speak loudly, Saurabh, speak loudly.
Okay, it's better.
Yes, speak a little loudly, that's all. Speak a little loudly.
Vedant Agarwal shared a post on Instagram
Okay.
and he is abusing all guy who raise hand for death man.
Okay. Can you say that again? Saurabh?
Vedant Agarwal share a post on Instagram.
अच्छा आप ये जो वेदांत अग्रवाल बोल रहे हो, एक सही एकदम वेदांत अग्रवाल, तो आपको लगता है वेदांत अग्रवाल इज अ वेरी फेमस नेम? क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता हु इज वेदांत अग्रवाल. सॉरी, हु इज वेदांत अग्रवाल? The guy who was driving. The guy who was driving. Okay. So, Saurabh, इसको कहते हैं communication skill. यहाँ पर आपको ऐसे बोलना चाहिए था. Yesterday, Vedant Agarwal, the guy who was driving that Porsche, made a post on Instagram. Okay. And
He was abusing all the guys who raised hand for the death man.
okay, raised hands nahi beta, who raised the voice. Okay. He was abusing all those people who raised their voice for for these two victims. Yes. Okay. ऐसे ही होता है,
And,
ऐसे ही होता है. उसकी गलती, उसके माँ बाप ने उसको बिगाड़ रखा है भाई. Why would you give your Porsche car to a 17-and-a-half-year-old boy who drinks? So again, fine, pay the price now. I think he should be in jail for 10 years. Only then he will learn his lesson. Yeah. So just a
And,
small, yes, Saurabh.
And also he told, I have a lot of money. I can do anything.
Well, I'm really sorry, but I believe that maybe this was not a post he made. Some people sometimes just try to, because he can't be that stupid. Now I'm suddenly doubting this whole thing. I think somebody else might have
videos,
done
sir.
it. Okay, fine. Okay, maybe he did it then. Maybe he did it, but maybe he didn't do it.
Yeah.
Okay, because you understand what I mean. Sometimes people, yes, they do the wrong thing, but they're smart enough to know that people, India is a democracy. If people are angry about something, that thing will not happen here. Because you see, why did Chief Minister of Maharashtra have to come out and talk about it? Because he could see people were angry. And if he didn't talk about it, people will show their anger against the Chief Minister. So in this kind of situation, it's really good that we are in a democracy because people's voice will be heard eventually. Social media is very powerful today. You know, I didn't see other channels talking about it so much, but when I heard about it, honestly, I'll tell you what I did. I first got to know about it on YouTube and I sat there abusing that guy for 5 minutes. And I was really angry. क्योंकि आप किसी के घर के चिराग को हटा लिए, वो 24 साल का सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, हमारे घर से कोई सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनता है तो माँ बाप उसके लिए अरमान लगाते हैं. यस एग्जैक्टली. आप मिडिल क्लास के फैमिली के लिए एक बच्चे का सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनना, नाउ द होल जर्नी हैज जस्ट स्टार्टेड, और उसी समय यू किल दैट पर्सन. बिकॉज ऑफ यू दैट पर्सन इज नो मोर. देयर इज नो कॉम्पेंसेशन बिग इनफ फॉर दिस. You can't compensate for this loss. इसका कोई हर्जाना नहीं हो सकता. Even if you pay 10 crore rupees to the family, it's not going to be enough. Oh, such a sad incident here.
We'll see you in a couple of days.
Okay. We will see in a couple of days.
I hope you have a good time.
We'll try.
I hope you have a good time. We will try. We will try to have a good time. And now I'm going to give you guys the audio script, and I want you to practice the conversations with a partner in the breakout session. Just give me a second. 10.10. Okay, guys, I'm putting the conversation in the group for you. And I'm also going to play this conversation one more time. Eyes on the audio script, guys. Eyes on the audio script, please. Yeah.
Tape script 10.10. Social expressions. 1.
Patrick and I are getting married.
Wow, that's fantastic. Congratulations.
Thanks. We're both very excited and a bit nervous.
2.
Can I help you?
No, I'm just looking, thanks.
Just tell me if you need anything.
That's very kind.
3.
Don't forget it's a bank holiday on Monday.
Sorry, what does that mean?
It means it's a national holiday. The garage is closed. Most places are closed.
4.
We're going to the cinema tonight.
Oh, lovely. Well, I hope you enjoy the film.
Thanks. I'll tell you all about it.
Great.
5.
Excuse me. This machine isn't working.
I'm sorry. Let me have a look. Ah, it isn't switched on, that's why.
Oh, great. Thank you very much.
No problem.
6.
Hi. Can I speak to Dave, please?
I'm afraid he isn't here at the moment. Can I take a message?
Yes. Could you ask him to phone Kevin?
Sure, I'll do that.
7.
Thanks for the invitation to your party, but I'm afraid I can't come.
What a pity. Never mind.
I'm going away that weekend.
It's okay. Another time.
8.
Bye.
Have a safe journey.
Thanks.
We'll see you in a couple of days. I hope you have a good time.
We'll try.
Now I'm creating the breakout rooms. Okay, go ahead and practice the conversations. If you need any help, feel free to ask. Okay. Okay, people, let's study. Come on, start your practice. I have a question. There is a line, sure, I'll do that. Can you see that in conversation number 6, maybe? Sure, I'll do that. So if you were that woman, what would you say in Hindi instead of sure, I'll do that? हाँ, इसका हिंदी क्या हुआ? हम बोल देंगे, right? हाँ, हम बोल देंगे. I'll do that. That यहाँ मतलब क्या? वही जिसने कहा था बोलने कहने के लिए. Could you ask him to phone Kevin? Sure, I'll do that. That हटा दो. That हटा दो. अब क्या बोलोगे? Sure, I'll do that. नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ that हटाना है. अब क्या बोलेंगे? I'll do. नहीं. Sure, I'll ask him. Sure, I'll ask him. ठीक है, हम बोल देंगे उसको. Sure, I'll ask him. लेकिन उतना करने की जरूरत नहीं है, सीधा बोले sure, I'll do that. मैंने कहा आपको घर जाइएगा ना तो पापा को बोलिएगा मेरे से बात करने के लिए. ठीक है? Sure, sir, I'll do that. ठीक है सर, बोल देंगे. तो we are wrapping up now, and what should be your homework in the practice book? Take a look and tell me which page should be your homework in the practice book. Have we done page number 65, or we will do it tomorrow? Page number 65. We haven't done it yet, have we? Page number 65, guys. This will be your homework.
Sir,
Yes.
how much time do we have now?
Only 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes.
Okay.
You have a question?
Can I
Have a
ask a question?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah. Sir, I have a sentence. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Why you no give me bro?
Just a second. Ask your sentence again.
Why you no give me bro?
Why you not?
No give me bro.
Why you no give me bro?
Yeah. Is this right or wrong?
Of course it is not. आपको भी पता होना चाहिए. It's not correct, right?
Because we don't use do.
और do के साथ no, not बोलना चाहिए ना no के जगह.
Sir, but yesterday I studied this sentence and it's right. What?
जरा सा भेज देना जहाँ पढ़े थे वहाँ पे. कहाँ पढ़े थे बेटा?
Okay. I
book में.
studied in ad.
अच्छा, please send me, okay? And I'll help you with that, okay?
Okay, sir.
Sir, you add me in a group.
I will add you. I will add you, okay? See you guys. Bye-bye. Take care.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, everyone.